Hello again, 174th day, first video. Boy, we're coming close to the end. After today, I think there's 6 more days left. A couple things to clean up about the German. I had taught that the V, the German V, has more or less the sound of F, as in viel. Well, it's not only an initial V. If the V is in the middle of a word, it still has that sound that's more or less like an F. Okay, and another thing, these are just things to clean up. In that conversation, when Klaus showed how smart he was by saying 1 and 1 are 3, I really wish that I had written that down. Eins und eins, sie sind drei. That would be 1 and 1, they are 3. That would have been more useful, and you could maybe go back and change it, because that would give you here's the verb sein, to be. Ich bin, du bist, sie, ist, wir sind. This one you don't yet have, but you would have had this one. Sie sind. They are. You know, there's overlapping in any language. This word sie, if it's capitalized, it means you, formal. If it's sie ist, it means she is. But if it's sie sind, well, then it means they are. So anyway, just as a way of filling that in, I could have done that. That would have been a better touch, I think. Now, in a word, endings. You know, in a way, I think I owe it to you to warn you that German is hard. I'm ready to say that German is harder than French or Spanish, and certainly harder than English. And from what you've seen, it could seem easy. Now, I love the language, I love it, but I would be false if I didn't warn you that it's hard. And what makes it so hard, really, is the endings, the word endings. Also in linguistic terms, they're called inflections. It's very similar to Latin that way. And I say, I'll leave that for later. I intend to teach German. More German next year, maybe, probably not this summer, but next year I'll teach you more German. And then you have to deal with the endings. And it's doable, you can do it, but I don't want to do it right now. But I want to warn you that it's there. Just as an example, now this could really scare you away. The word the, our English word the, there's actually, I don't know how many ways to write it in German, maybe 8. Maybe, but there's 24 possibilities for the right way to say the in German. And that could just scare you away. But don't let it. I mean, it's so cool in a way, the way it works. But anyway, I want to be honest with you on that. And then the other thing I wanted to say is that du liegst mir, that's in 3/4 time, like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's one of the reasons it's so singable, you know. There's something about 3/4 time. All right, we're going to go on with the conversation in the next video.